Following the waterproofing of the foundation and installation of a part of the weeping tile system, the foundation will be insulated. This will be followed by the installation of the vertical weeping tile, the final layer of gravel, and ultimately backfilled. The 2-inch rigid exterior insulation is part of the wall detail specified by the client's architect. It forms part of the building envelope that will achieve exceptional energy performance and Energy Star certification. Most importantly, it will be felt by our clients with enhanced comfort in their home, with more stable interior temperatures, as well as cost savings from reduced utility bills. Vertical weeping tiles are then installed at each below grade window. Then, 6 inches high of 3/4 inch clear gravel is placed over the existing gravel at the base of the wall, which covers the horizontal 4-inch perforated weeping tile. This forms part of the system that manages water from around the home. The gravel acts as a filter to ensure that only water is passing through. 3/4 inch clear gravel is also placed under the future basement and garage slabs. The area under the garage was fully excavated to find good soil. The excavation is filled with clear gravel as opposed to soil, 7 truckloads worth, to minimize the chance of future settlement due to the depth of the excavation. Up next is backfill and framing. Contact us at Avvio Fine Homes to book a consultation and get started on your custom home journey.